Hello Tech Explorers, today we'll explore a robotics project that uses a pulley system to lift objects and transfer them to a different location. This kind of technology can also be seen on a package carrier truck, which is a powerful machine designed to lift and transfer heavy objects with ease, combining mobility and strength to handle demanding tasks. From construction site to industrial projects, it plays a vital role in moving materials efficiently and safely. Now, let's build our package carrier robot and have it lift and move an object to a new location.